Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. Actually today we will continue with a tutorial as usual. We are building a PDF reader, and if you remember last time we did part 3, whereby we were able to access to request permissions from the user during runtime. So in this video we are going to continue so in this video we are going to get the list of PDF files from our device and then display it to the user. So just to show you where we were last time, what we did last time. So we retrieve the permission, runtime permission. After allowing that permission, then the application allowed us to come to this home page or activity or main activity, where the list of PDF files will be displayed here. So that's what we are going to work with today. So let's jump straight to the okay. So so we are going to display the list of video files here. You see, so that's where PDF files will be displayed here. List of PDF files. So first of all, we are going to retrieve them from our device. So if there is any PDF file that are found in our device, then we're going to retrieve them and make it accessible to the user by listing them in this activity, in this main activity. So the first thing, the first that we're going to do right now is we are going to create a class where it will be because we need to display this data, so we need to somehow model this data, because we're going to display a file, a file name, a date, and we're going also to need to know the path of that, where that file is found. So when the user click it or want to display it, actually we know where to find it and display it to the user, make it accessible to the user. So we have 3 fields. We have a file name, we have a path, and we have a date. The date where this file were modified, or last time it was modified, or the date that where this file were created in, or it was created in this device. So okay, so I created a directory here called classes. So let me go and delete it so we can create together. So let's create a directory folder in this case. So you just go to a new, then create a I think it's a package. Here package, and then let's name it to classes, whatever. You can name it whatever you want. Classes. You see, so it is here. So we want to create a new class called PDF class actually. Let me call PDF item. I don't know if you can name it in the way you want, but I just called it PDF item. So, okay. So in this class, as I said, we want to have we would like to have we would like to have a path, we would like to have file name, and we would like to know the date, last modified date of the file, or date that this file was created. So here I'll create I think this will also now be string, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it should be string. So I have string, which is name, file name, whatever you can call it, file name or name. In this case, yeah, so let's call it name. You can call it file name, whatever you want. And then you can have, yeah, here as I said, we need to have path, and then here we need to have date, I think. Yeah, if I'm not clear it. So you can just name it the way you want, guys, in more meaningful way. So if you need to put it in more meaningful way, I think you can call it file name, file path, file date, whatever. So if you want to, let's call it file name. I think it will make sense. File path. So file path, and then you can call it file date. Okay, so you can just name it like this if you want. File name to be more meaningful. File path, file date. You see. So since so that is it. So since we are going to yes, so we need also to create a getter and setter. Yeah, actually we're going to create a getter and setter. And even if possible, we can also create okay, in this case, let's just create a getter and setter. Getter and setter method where if you want to set maybe file name, we can set it. So when we are retrieve the file from the when we are retrieving this PDF files from our device, actually we need to set them, put in a list, and then be able to access them or probably display them to the user. So we need to create this get and set so that you can be able to get and set. Yeah, so you know what I mean. So there's a you can just start creating data by typing, but I think there are tools here in the Android Studio which you can use to create this get and set. So okay, so we are going to okay, so we're going to I think we're going to refactor. No. So yeah, I think it's generate. Yeah, so we're going to generate getter. Okay, there's another way which is very simple. You can go here to go and generate and generate getter and setter. See, so I want to have getter and setter for all this. So say okay. So you see now we already had this getter and setter. Set get set get set get file get for this get file pass. So if I name get for this, so have get and set methods. You see, so the now our class is already done. So yeah, so guys, that's what that's what about this this class, PDF writing class. So yep, so after creating this class, then I will go here in the main activity. In this main activity, okay, so in this main activity, that's where we are going to start. So here, actually, you can okay. So we are going to retrieve PDF files through this activity. Even so, you can also do it through splicing activity. Load them, and then when you reach to this activity, then just display them. But in this case, let's just do it here. See, so guys, there are many ways to do this, but so in this tutorial I'm going to show you one way which maybe I don't know, I think I'm used to it one of the way to retrieve this data from this PDF files from our device. So in device, in Android device, you have internal storage. So in this internal storage, you have you can have multiple multiple folders, where these video files can be found. It can be in the document. This built-in folders which comes by default with a Android phone. Like this public directories. So we have these public directories. We have documents directory. We have downloads directory, and we have and others. There's so many which are by default they come with the by default being created in a device. So by default they're just there. They come with a Android phone or Android software or operating system. So yeah. So by default, the operating system which comes with these folders, but also you can have custom folders which maybe apps or mobile apps they might have created them. So maybe you have a PDF, maybe create app applications. So actually, they don't have a folder for that. So when you create those PDF files, so that app it will create those files and put them in a specific folder which is known to that app. So and also we need these folders as long as PDF files are found they are already in our device. We need through this PDF app when we need to list them to the user so that he can see them. So that's what I'm saying is somehow it's a little bit complicated to get this get all these PDF files in Android phone. You see, so that's why I'm saying there are so many ways to get these PDF files in a device. So, but in this case, I'll try to demonstrate one way. So, first of all, what I'll do, I'll try to grab some video files to some folders in a device. Even though you are supposed to create this, to search these video files throughout your mobile phone. It doesn't matter if it's a built-in audio folder, like documents or downloads which comes by default on the device, or Android phone device. So or some custom folders which it was created either maybe by yourself or by a mobile app, which maybe you see, maybe we have, for instance, in my phone I have this app for this app for I have this app I have this app. I think this app I have for this app. I think I have this app for converting. I don't know if I installed it. So I have this app for converting files from maybe text to PDF or Excel to PDF. So these apps, they have a specific folder somewhere where they put those created or converted PDF files. So also those files we need to search them and display them to the user. So somewhere it's very complicated. So what you can do, so one of the way to come up with a solution is by going through these folders, looping through them all folders, and gather all video files and display them to the user. So in this case, I'll just loop through some folders, not all of them, because as I said, it's somehow a little complicated, but it can be done. But I think it will take me a year. A lot of time, a lot of tutorials to make that. That's why I'm trying to do it part of it so that the other part you can finish it by yourself. So I'm just going to demonstrate. So to get files, there's some folders which is downloads folder, and which folder again, downloads folder. So one of them, we can just use one of them and demonstrate how to get the PDF files to those folders. Okay, so I think, yeah guys, you understand what I'm doing. So let's start coding right now. So okay, first of all, I will have this folder. So I'll create like a folder. So the laptop, maybe let's go maybe the laptop. So let's go to this directory. So let me import this class. So let's go to this directory, which is how can we get it? We go to get external storage public directory. You see, then go to environment dot directory. Then you have so many directories. You see, there's so many directories here which are by default are coming with a mobile phone. I'm going to use this Android phone, but in this case we're going to use documents. You can also go to you can have so many directories here. For instance, you can have group directory, you can have download directory, and then here so this is wrong, should be equal to. See, so now it should be download and directory downloads. So these are two directories that we have. You see, so what you can do is you can just come here and you see, so you can come up here with upload, and then so okay, after that, so we are going to create a method which is going to look through these directories and give us all the PDF files which are found on that device. Is this directories? So that's very simple. So okay, so let's call this maybe this method, which will retrieve actually the directory. You see, so since it's just going to be using this class, so I'll say private. Maybe let's call it what, I don't know. It's not going to return anything. Yeah, I think maybe we'll change it if to return anything, but I think it's not going to return anything. Okay, maybe what we can do is return, so we can see what we can do about it. Maybe we can return something. We can do it different ways. So let's say maybe so it return list. Okay, you know what? This is void, and then inside here we can say get PDF files. You see, so yep. So okay, let's just make it to return list of PDF item. This return PDF item. It will accept directory. So we'll also directory PDF directory. So okay, that so I'll retrieve them. We'll try and catch it. So yeah, we'll always going to try. I have this habit of whenever I want to retrieve something which involves a lot of operations, especially when I want to access the device, sometimes it's very good to try and get, to be defensive, to defensive programming. because so here we have a message. So it will be post that message. If there's any error, we need to have that message. Okay, so understand what's happening. Okay, so inside here, first of all, we have a list of PDF items. So these are PDF items. So we go to them. A list, wherever you can put a list of something, whatever. Okay, so okay, I really like to use array list. So guys, even here I'll turn array list. It's my personal preference, so I don't know. This. So I'm used to this array list. So this is PDF items. So okay, then that will remove this error. You see this error here. So it will remove it. We're going to return this PDF items. Now we're good. So you see this error is gone. Okay, so yeah. So guys, you know what to do. If, for instance, here you can have, there are so many ways you can have a lot of maybe, as I said, there are so many ways to resolve this. But if you want to go my way, it take me a lot of tutorials to come up with the solution. But so I'm trying to give you the hint, just give you something that maybe, yeah, as I said. So I'm not going to repeat again. So in this, so after having this method, okay, so we need to implement this method. So what do we do then? First of all, we have maybe let's have like a yeah, so here we need a string. First of all, we need inside this directory we expect to have PDF files in this directory. You see, so what we will do, we are going to okay. So what are we going to do here? Let me just remember. Try to remember what we're going to do. So okay, so in this directory we'll have a list of PDF files. You see, so this PDF files. So let's create a. We want to look. So after so we expect to have PDF files in these directories. You see, so we're going to create an array. Maybe let's call it list files. This PDF files. Okay. How we get this. You can put it here. I think you can put it in the syntax of so this one is the PDF directory dot list files. All these files here. After listing those files, there are so many syntax. I think that we can also put it like this, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, that's okay. Or you can put it here. And I think you know the syntax, right? So it is fine. So okay, so we have those PDF files here. And then what I will do is I'll create another thing here called PDF item. Call this item. You see what I mean by creating this one here. Okay, so after that, okay, so after having this one, okay, after having this one, you see, so okay, after having this one, I will look through this. So now I have these files, so I need to look and check if there are really files, because there can be folders inside there, you know, inside those files. I need to look through each of them and check if it's really PDF files. So, and also I'll have another thing here called maybe, let's call it file extension. Called bp.pdf, right? Yeah, so it helps us while we search through these files. We need only those with extension of this PDF, right? So that's it. So okay, so okay, after that I will check if this one is not equal to now. So I'll check this is not equal to now. Then if this is not equal to now, then if this is not equal to now, then you need to look so that since there is something there, so I'll use I equal to 0. I'll use it for row, so I should be less to list files length, right? Then I want to implement it. I plus no. I know this task for row, so okay. After that, I'll retrieve that file. I'll retrieve that file, which is PDF file. So it's file equal to list PDF files. Right, so that's the file. So for retrieving it, I want to check if it is a PDF file. So PDF file. So first I'll get the name. After getting the name, then I will say, okay, does this end with this file extension? File extension. So if it is true, okay, then good. If it is true, then we will create okay, anyway, you know what, we don't need to create a new here. Okay, so this from, because when we loop, we create a new every time. So here, whenever we have that, we found a PDF file, or have this item. So have this item. It should be a PDF item, actually, not item. So I will remember, so it can be PDF item. So this PDF item here, PDF item. So I know these names are confusing, but forgive me that I don't have time to think of good names, you know. So this PDF item, this is the PDF item. After that, we need to create a get and set. So by using this get and set, so we're going to okay, file name, I think name, set file name, which will be this file here, PDF file should be PDF file dot get name, you see. And also so another thing will be PDF item dot set file path, I think. So PDF file get upload path. See. Okay, set file path, file name, set file path. And also set file date. So here we'll get file PDF file dot modify get modified data. Let's modify the area. Get last rust gates. This gate should be the gate, right? Okay, let's modify that. Okay. is this? Okay, also we forgot. What is happening? I don't know. We expected long, but it says we expected long here. So okay, so it expects the date, but we put a what? Okay, so this should be, so this is wrong. So we need to convert this one. So it should be new date, then paste that one PDF file. The class will find it. Yeah, so that's fine. So okay, so now we will look through each of those directories, and then if we found any of those PDF files inside there, then we'll grab them and yep, and then come up with the that one. So this will give us the list of PDF files which are found in our device. So I'll have here again, I'll have yeah, so because this is just a method which will return this one, but we'll create another one here, PDF docs, because we need to display this so we have PDF docs. So this PDF docs so will be equal to we'll call that method get PDF files, then we'll pass this directory. So if we want, we can do one thing. We can look through each of these PDF doc directories. Yeah, so we can say that PDF docs. You see? Yeah, so if you want to get all of this at the same time, okay, so what we can do is since we have this one here, so what we can do is we can just say that yeah, so since we want to use all these video files, which is better, there's no need for this one, so you can just remove this one here, or just even comment it. Okay, we forgot one thing. After having this one here, there's no need for this one. Yeah, there's no need for this one because I want to use the top one here. You see, so after having that list, we need to say that okay, PDF items, so PDF docs here, PDF docs, add that PDF item, which is this one, add to that list so that you can be able to access and display the user. So you see, so now we are good. So now there's no need for this one, and also there's no need to return this one. There's no need to return this one because yeah, there's no need to return because we're using the top one there, so we can just say void here. But that's my preference. So if you prefer the first method, no problem. But for me, I think if I have this one here, so it doesn't matter what directories I will have here, I'll be able to get those files. So get PDF file for this directory, PDF for the download directory. You see, so you have this is the one. So guys, yeah, I think yeah, we are good. So this is just one way of retrieving these PDF files from your Android device. There's so many ways, there's so many you know, as I said, retrieve these PDF files from an Android phone is a little bit complicated because you know, so by my own experiences somehow because this device, this PDF files can be anywhere. It can be in a SD card, it can be in internal device, internal storage. So it's a bit complicated. So by this knowledge that I'm sharing with you, maybe it can add your value and find out best way to come up with this solution. You know, so programming is all about trying something, being exposed to something, and then try to think and then come up with something better, so yeah. So guys, so I think this tutorial is coming very long. I wanted to create an adapter. Yeah, I think the tutorial is becoming very long, and which is not good. So I think let me just end here. So in the next tutorial, which will be part 5, I think this is part 4. So in the next tutorial, we'll create an adapter and then display these PDF files. Yeah, these PDF files that we have got here. Display them to the user so that he can access them and open the PDF files from our app. So so guys, that's what I wanted to share with you today. So just to remind you, please guys, make sure you subscribe my channel so that you can get notification when I upload a new video, and also to motivate me to do more amazing videos, share with you a lot of videos. So please make sure you hit the subscribe button below. Yeah, then we'll be good to go. So guys, that's what I wanted to share with you today. Let me wish you a good time and cheers.